Dear viewers, and welcome back to my another video. In that new lesson or topics, we are going to learning about pandas. I make the pandas in many of videos. So in that topics, we are going to learning about how to read the CSV and Excel file in the Visual Studio Code. You can also try with me. So let's get started beginning our journey to open our Visual Studio Code. Firstly, so open your Visual Studio Code in our desktop, and then there is our demo file we created in a part. So in that part is also good. So left click mouse and then create our new demo6 file. So click new file and call it demo6.python file, default file, and enter it here, and let me import the pandas. Import pandas as PD. When it's done, enter it 2 times and then hashtag read the CSV and Excel file. So colon it here and then enter it here. Now, firstly, we use that command read equals to read CSV dash not PD dot read CSV. This, and second we see the Excel. So read CSV bracket double quotation marks and then df hashtag DataFrame colon df equals to PD dot DataFrame. What DataFrame? Read DataFrame. If you not inputted here, it might not work. So enter it 2 times another and printing out of that data colon print bracket comma df functions. Now when it's done, top 7, okay, top 5, 6 rows backslash n new line and equals. Now this data means this code will be completed. Now we make the CSV file. Firstly, so minimize that Visual Studio Code and go to your taskbar and search here Excel. Enter it and now our Excel file will be count. Now go to your blank workbook, click here and then make our CSV file. Firstly, so students role section ID. Okay, now this is our data. So bold it here to looks like good. And now Rakim, Shihab, Joy, Lila, Nimia, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 another Amit. This is our 6 students name. Roll 12, 2, now 9, 89, 74, 100. Custom section m.k s.h b.a and c.i and i.d p.q. This is the section ID. ID is 24 12 24 1 2 24 9 24, 89, and 74, 24, 74, and 24, 100. This is our ID. Now, copy not, select all of everything of the table, and all of the table we make all borders to looks like many good. So when it's done, go to your files options and then save as, browse, and book.xlx not. Go to that here, okay, where desktop, and you save here students Excel workbook not ms-tos. If you not do that, your code will be not work in Visual Studio Code. So recommended is to see your code and make the code. So go to the tools options another time, web options, encoding, save this document as what? You select that Unicode all of this here, select that Unicode UTF-8. So if you select it, click OK and then save it here and click yes and don't save. This will show up. And now we go to that student.txt not xlx file. I rename it CSV. Okay. Now left click mouse and then go to the properties to view that where location the file has. Now copy it all of everything locations and copy, cut it here and go to your another time Visual Studio Code and paste this. Where? Okay guys, this is my mistakes. I resume it. Go to properties, desktop location, copy, Visual Studio Code, and now paste it here, Ctrl V. This is our CSV files location, and don't mistake that // If you not backslash that, your code will be not work. You try it. Okay. I tried a time ago, so I am making now backslash at another time, and students we saved here is students.csv file. Now when it's done, click the run command button and the read CSV become here. Okay guys, this is the top 6 rows. This is the mistakes of the CSV file. You can make with me like the CSV file and not txt file. If you txt file that, this will be happen. You see this will be happen. This is the code like that. Now minimize it another time, go to students CSV and you see that what happens. This here, this is the disgusting of the CSV file. If you not look up your CSV file, so look and code again and again. So I cut down here. You try this with me, like table create and then making the ms.dos file shape, and this paste the proper, go to properties and then paste, copy it this file and then paste it and write here the what file we created, students.csv. You can make also here. Now guys, this is my mistake. You cannot mistake your computer also guys, I'm sorry. And now I'm making the Excel file. So this is our rich CSV file is gone. Now Excel, if you not see this Excel file, go to here terminal, this plus icon, and then install it this here, pip install open Excel, this. enter it and you will be get. Okay, now close that when the downloads completed, close that Visual Studio Code and open again. Now when it's done, our CSV Excel, you can't see this might be also here. This is the default. Go to minimize here the Visual Studio Code another time, and then go to that student CSV file Excel and make another time table, guys. Okay, create another Excel. So delete this here and Excel, enter it another time, and then go to blank workbook, students role ID. I will make that. And now students is Amit, Josh, Sigma, Nina, Ronnie. This is the students 1, 20, 90, and 24, 3, and 13. This is the role ID 2401, 24020. This is the ID 24090, 24023, 24013. This is the ID. When it's done, use mind that, go all of the select here and make the all borders to looks like good and bold it. And when it's done, go to files options, save as, browse. What browse we should go? We go to desktop, Excel workbook, XLS file. Now new, I call it new, and save and close that here. Our XLX file is ready. This is my XLX file. This is a default file. I am not seeing. Okay, go to Visual Studio Code another time and then cut that CSV file, Excel, put your file name new.xlsx. Now when it's done, run it here another time and you can see here the magic. This is our student role ID. This is our ID and this is our role, and this is our Amit, Joe, Sigma, Nina, Ronnie. We created it some seconds ago. This is our new.xlx file. If I click here XLX, my XLSX is not worked. So when I XLS, I see the file the same, all of the same. If I see the head method, head, df.head, 2, who is the topper of the 6 rows, run it here, and you can see Amit and Josh is the topper. Role and ID role students. This is the topper. And another is not topper. This is another Sigma, Nina, Ronnie is not topper. Also, this is the, you can see that df head.method example. I use that df.head.method. If you see that head methods of that read Excel or CSV, you can use that df.head method to see. So guys, I will give my code in my description, and if you like my video, so comment me. So guys, this is my video. If you like my video, so subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get more support. Assalamualaikum.